Okay, here's an Android phone. It's an LG G3. Let's see how to set the time and the date. You can do it by swiping down and going to the settings wheel, settings, and here using the tab view mode, let's go down to date and time. Okay, and here either check the first one, auto date and time, and it will get the time from the service provider or from the internet if it's available, or you can set the date from here. Just move them up and down and you can select the correct date. Let's say that one. The same thing with the time. You can modify them manually, or you can use this one and it will set it automatically, both of them, and it was modified. Okay, so the time and date was updated.